Hey everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So we all have been using Microsoft Excel for ages now, and this is one of the best way where users can actually format, organize and calculate the data in a spreadsheet. Now, when I say that you can actually integrate this particular application with various applications like your CRM or your mail or WhatsApp or SMS, etc. so that every time the data is added here, so you can perform an action which you would have done manually. Now, wouldn't that be fantastic? So yes, you can actually do the same. You can integrate different applications using Pabbly Connect software. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 Microsoft Excel automations that can help you in Excel your work. So let's check out. So first of all, automatically add Google Forms responses to MS Excel spreadsheet. Now let's say that you're using any form builder application. So here I have taken the example of Google Forms. So every time a new response is received, now you have the data. So you want this data to be organized and be kept in your Excel spreadsheet. Automatically, you are not writing anything manually. And how could that be done? For this, you will have to integrate the two applications. And the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here, your trigger application will be Google Forms and your action application will be Microsoft Excel. Let's see another example. So here, let's say that you are using any payment gateway. I have taken the example of Razorpay. Now, every time a payment has been made for any particular thing. Now what you want is the details of the payment as well as the user details who has made the payments. You want everything to be organized in your Excel spreadsheet without you writing anything manually. So how can that be done? For this, again, you will be integrating the two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here your trigger application will be Razorpay and your action application will be Microsoft Excel. So the moment the payment has been received, captured, automatically the details would be added to your spreadsheet. Let's see the next example. So now here you have got certain data in your Microsoft Excel. Now you want that every time a new row is added, let's say you have the name of the user, the contact number and extra information. So the moment this detail has been added, okay, so here we can take this example as well. So the payment has been captured and then in your Microsoft Excel, the details have been added. Now with the help of these details, you can send a WhatsApp message to the user. And here you have chosen the application Interact that helps you in sending WhatsApp messages. Next thing is, now just like you have sent WhatsApp messages, you can send messages like SMS, you can send a Gmail, like you can send a mail through Gmail or any other, mail application. All you have to do is you have to keep on integrating different applications. Let's check out the next example. Create deal in HubSpot CRM when details are added in MS Excel. So you have got the details of your project or the contact details in your MS Excel. Now with those details, you want to create a deal in your CRM or you want to add a new subscriber in your CRM. So how can that be done? Again, when you are integrating these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect software, you can do the same. So trigger application will be Excel and action application will be HubSpot. And now the last example that I have here is Telegram and Microsoft Excel. So you can use Telegram or any other social media. So every time a new message has been received here. You can also take the example of YouTube. So every time a new message has been received, now what you want is all these messages should become a part of your Excel sheet so that later on you can actually scrutinize all these messages for your reference. Now again automate this. So the moment this message has been received, the details would be added in your Excel. How? By integrating this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now these were some of the automations that in which you are integrating different applications. So one application is Excel and then we have certain examples. You can integrate Excel with so many different applications with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Now how do you have to do this? So you can check the description box, you have the links there. So go and these workflows are there, and here the best part is that you do not need any technical expert for this thing. You can actually do this integration yourself. So if you find any doubt or any issue, you can always write to us. And if you like this video, if you like this integration and your work has been made easy, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to come up with more such videos. Till then, take care.